How to use Google Keep app. Google Keep is an app designed for making notes. I'll show you how to use it in the next slide. Let's go. Here are the steps in using Google Keep. Step 1, open Google Keep, then sign in with your school Gmail account. Step 2, be familiar with Keep's icons and menu. Let me tell you what they are. Main menu, search, notes display, make a list, writing quick notes, creating voice notes, and making picture notes. Step 3. Create a notebook for your class using the Create label in the main menu. Let me show you how to do that. Select the main menu, then select Create New Label, then type your notebook name, and then click the check mark. Your notebook will appear under the Labels menu. How to create notes within your notebook. This is how you do it. Under the main menu, go to your notebook. Once you click it, you'll see 5 different icons at the bottom of the page. Take a note, make a list, take a note, voice notes, and picture notes. So you can click on take a note or the pen to take you to this screen. Here, you type the date and the title of your notes. Let's talk about the different icons, starting from the top and then bottom. So this arrow will take you back to your notebook header. This means to pin a note. This one is a reminder, and this one is for archiving notes. There's also the plus on the lower left, which we're going to talk about in the next slide. And then here's the undo button, redo button, and on the bottom right corner, you'll see other functions such as delete notes, make a copy of your notes, send your notes to someone, choose to share your notes with someone, and then you can select different colors for your notes. We'll talk more on the next slide. Here's more information about icons you see when writing notes. On top, you'll see the back button. This means to pin the notes. This is the remind button. And once you click this, it will show you this pop-up where you can pick a date and time when you want the reminder to be set. And this is the archive button. So archiving means that you are hiding your notes from the list temporarily. Further down on the left-hand side, you'll see the plus. So this is pretty familiar. Plus means that these are different objects or elements that you can add, such as list, drawing, choosing a saved photo, or taking a picture of whatever you want. Also down here is the undo button and then the redo button. And of course, more menu items that I have explained in the previous slide. Let's go a little further. So this is how your notes will look like when it's done. If you selected a list, this is how you type it. It will come up just like a bullet point. And over here is an example of the notes that you've made so far. List, and then you've got regular notes, regular notes. We'll explore more on the next slide. When you choose drawing, the screen changes to the following. This is your drawing area, and below are the different tools, such as selection tool, eraser, tapered pen, regular pen, highlighter, color selection, and then this tells you of the size of the pen. And the finished product looks like this. More on the next slide. Voice notes is kind of like a dictation app. So if you are challenged to type longer text, then you can use this tool. So to begin with this, you select the microphone, and then it will take you to this screen. You tap the mic, you speak, and as you speak, you will see a transcript of the things you say. And of course, depending on how clear your voice is, it may or may not type the correct spelling. Once you're done with it, you're gonna see an entry like this. So you would type the title of your notes and the date when it happened, and then it will add the transcript. Those words are what you said, and you can play back what you said. It's really pretty cool. Congratulations! You have now reached the end of this presentation. Here's a screenshot of notes created in Google Keep. Remember, to edit notes, simply tap on it. Thanks for watching this presentation, and now, why don't you give it a try?